I have this amazingly cute 3-in-1 vanity here, and as you can see, it comes apart, and this is a seat cushion, but it also slides up underneath, so it stores so easily and clean, and has a bottom drawer in the seat, as well as 2 drawers here that slide in and out. What's so great is it is a 3-in-1, so you can use it as the vanity with this flip top open and your seat out. You can also use it as a laptop space or a desk space, and a nightstand next to your side of the bed if you decided to put stuff on top. This mirror is so nice because it has a built-in light, and it has 3 modes that you can choose from. And you just simply press the touch screen and it shuts off.